Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for October 2012. Leos, we start this month with a phenomenal transit. We have Saturn and she's shifting, or rather moving after 28 and a half years to Scorpio. She moves from Libra, where she's been residing for the last 2.5 years. Now, Saturn, whichever house that she moves to, is the area which requires lessons, which requires focus, which requires change. Saturn is all about movement, Saturn is about change. She's not a planet about introspection. She's not a planet when she focuses on a particular part of your house, you need to be acting onto it and not planning and philosophizing on it. Also, another thing about Saturn is that Saturn never really leaves our charts. For all those of you lovely people who keep writing to me and asking me that when is it finally that I'm going to be getting rid of Saturn, or when is it finally that Saturn is going to be out of your charts for good? Well, the good news, or I would say the truth is that Saturn never really leaves a chart. She merely focuses her gaze on another part of the house which requires the due importance at that point of time. And that could be the area of your life at that particular time which requires change, which requires you to be taking some action. And it is, like we all know, it's Saturn's job to discipline us. Yes, in certain ways, it is a very restrictive planet, but she's also known to be one of the toughest taskmasters. And I think anytime that Saturn comes and touches a part of our house, she ensures that we learn the lessons for good. And by the time that she leaves our house, that is normally the transit is for about 2.5 years, the lessons are well learned and well taught. Well, for those of us who are, of course, willing to learn. So, Leos, for you, the transit is happening in your fourth house. It is about your emotional well being, it is about your parents, your relationship with your parents, it is about your home, the space where you live, it is about who it is that you share your space with. At times, it also speaks about house guests, at times, it also talks about domestic help and though that could be more on as a sub thing than more as a major focus, so to speak. Starting this month from 1st to 5th, there seems to be a good cash inflow. Financially, you seem to be quite flush, Leos, and I think a lot of you are going to be spending quite a bit. It could be on electronic gizmos, it could be on a laptop, a fancy phone, it could be something which will help you connect or helps you converse or get in touch with other people. And like I said, there seems to be a dramatic improvement in your finances, and you're going to be going all out and you're going to be splashing money quite a bit. So enjoy that bit of it. From the 5th, we have the Saturn shift that happens, and that is the time when things start getting a bit serious. And I think some of you could be a bit worried about, especially if you're not happy where you live, and also especially also if you're not happy being the way that you are. So for those of you who are married and are in committed relationships, you could be actually looking at moving your place, renovating it, or it could be also changing a few rules around the house amongst both of you. And for those of you who are single, you could actually be thinking about sharing your space with that someone special. Also, it seems to be a time you are going to be philosophizing and you're going to be thinking quite deeply about things which earlier have not bothered you. So, for those of you who do not have children, you'll be worried about. What is it? What kind of a parent would you make? And you would actually be going back to your own childhood. You will be thinking of your own past, your history, from where you come from, how you grew up, and how was your childhood like, and how were you as a child, and how were your parents with you, or how was the bringing up rather. And you're going to be thinking about that a lot, thinking what is the kind of father or a mother you would make, and what is the kind of parent you would be. And would you be a good parent, or are you ready to be a parent? Importantly, I think so. These are a lot of things that will be going on in your mind. For those of you who have children, I think you will be worrying about maybe if your child is not living his or her life to the fullest, how is it that you can help your child um, have a more richer life? You know, how is it more that you can sort of help your child evolve more? So there are going to be a lot of these thoughts regarding yourself, and you are going to be I think no longer being content the way that you have been with yourself. You're also asking for a change, and you would be, I think, also quite open to the change. So, of course, along with it is, like I said, there seems to be a lot of worry factor. You seem to be quite fearful of the unknown, and that's quite all right. We also have a lot of social activity around you. We have Sun and Mercury, which are going to be zipping into your chart, and though strangely you will not at this time be very happy to share things or be talkative. You would find yourself being quite reticent, and I think this could also have to do with that you're going to be sitting and listening and watching back as to what is it that people are talking about. I think you're quite worried about what is being I wouldn't say gossip really, but you seem to be quite concerned about what is it that is being talked about. So you're not very vocal in a social space. You would be quite happy staying to yourself. We also have Mars that is going to be moving towards the end of the month in your chart, and Mars is going to be giving you its nice energy and zest, and you're going to be feeling quite invincible. And especially I think if you have been sort of been feeling a bit low physically, and you have been not wanting to go out and do much, or maybe just plain lazy as well, end of the month is going to see you sort of pick yourself up and get out and again, whether it is socializing or it is exercising or doing things that yeah, you like doing. Some of you could also be keen to pick up a property. It could be about whether you're buying, or it could also be that you're looking at another place to rent. And it seems to be a great time, Leos, to be making an investment as far as real estate is concerned. So if you have been thinking about it, go right ahead and do it this month. So overall, a great month, Leos. A lot of introspection, a lot of fun times, and a lot of focus on home. So have a great October. I'll see you again in November, and thank you so much for watching.